Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Raquel Altia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a balcony pre-cleaning. Oh yes, we're in spring, and you know that when it's spring the weather is starting to become good, and in like 2 months we're in summer. So what we do here in Europe, we always have to clean our balcony and our gardens. As you can see in the video, my balcony is so untidy and the leaves have fallen down. So what I have to do, I'll just be cleaning, sweeping all the unwanted, the dried leaves that have fallen down during the winter period, and of course I'm gonna use some detergents to also make my balcony tidy once again. So without further any ado, let's start with our video. So I won't be talking too much in this video. I'll just put a music background while you watch me as I clean my balcony. Mind you, this is not a balcony cleaning, this is just a pre-cleaning balcony. I'll come again with another video whereby I'll just be scrubbing my balcony thoroughly, and I will organize it to make my balcony more cozy. And that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up, and of course do follow me on all my social media platforms. I use Raquel Altia. And if you have any question in terms on where I bought these things or any detergent or anything, please kindly comment down in the comment section, and see you next time. Bye.